You are going to love the 2018 Levante. The Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover which gives drivers a taste of top-end acceleration, comfort, and handling. The crossover also provides the functionality needed to make this luxury vehicle perfect for all drivers and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.